Clint's list of the three greatest physical, mechanical accomplishments that can ever be made by man. Number one, neutralization of gravity and the harnessing of that power using a device referred to as a graviton resisting, arresting, and manipulating assembly, grandma, aka. The term speaks for itself, and its uses would be unlimited, from the mobilization of mountains as well as traversing deep into interstellar space. It would be either the release of the genie in the bottle or the opening of another Pandora's box. 2. The development, creation, perfection, and worldly distribution of the replicator, the RP. A trivial enough description by name, and not much unlike a 3D printer commonly in service today, a device capable of disassembling the simpler atoms, molecules, and the prevailing subatomic particles in the surrounding medium, air, water, soil, etc., back into their basic most form, and then reconstructing that form following a series of pre-designated and pre-calculated dimensional coordinates back into more complex atoms and molecules, and again into varying shapes, sizes, structures, textures, etc., having an assured consistency in its byproduct upon the device's operation every time. Such an invention would undeniably revolutionize life for all, providing an almost unlimited plethora of needed items on demand: food, water, clothing, medicine, housing, rare metals, or even gold if necessary. Work could easily find itself forgotten when the masses are living full and comfortable lives. 3. Perfection of the cerebral psychoactive processes discriminator, which CAPAD. Otherwise known as the bullshit detector, a psychoanalytical tool enabling overseers to prematurely view negative characteristics in the minds of newborns that led to the cause of criminal behavior. With time and methods of correction in hand, it would inevitably bring crime to an end on a planetary scale. In decades to come, it might wash the negative qualities out of the human genome pool entirely, not to mention the introductory means of peacefully organizing civilization altogether into a universal unison of understanding and empathy for all. Alternatively, these expanded use of this new science can be adversely addressed to determine prenatally who could be born or who shouldn't. Maybe a future bonding pairs to the skin on each other's minds and then cross-calculate results for having sex. It might solve a lot of problems. Despite its shortcomings, in the long run, this device would do more to further mankind's progress than to serve to stifle it. The end.